Luganda and Bobi. Oh, sabio gedeko mu Luganda. Konkani njirango abaganda mmanyo Lunyankole. Okay, basebo ne banyabo tubayise olwaliro bategeeza ku byabaddewo nga bumwalabye bwe twatambudde nga tuba eri Antonde nga tugenda mu districts z'Ekiruhura n'Enkazo. Twalumbiddwa abantu ababadde bambadde t-shirt za Museveni nga bakutte n'ebifaananyi bye nga bakutte amayinja n'emiggo bakuba abantu baffe ne batukajulirira amayinja ekyennaku nga bakuumibwa poliisi. Bwe twagenze maaso ne gye twagenze Mushere mwalabye nga amagye ne poliisi twasanze batissa abantu ne batulemesa. Ekyomukisa omulungi buli kimu mwakirabye basebo ne bannyabo. Mwalabye obwavu obuli mu Ankole, mwalabye embeera y'enguudo eri mu Ankole, mwalabye embeera y'amasomero n'embeera y'amalwaliro eri mu Ankole. Kyongera obalaga nti tewali ali bulungi, era n'abo abalowooza nti bannaffe ab'omu Western Uganda oba Abanyankole bali bulungi, tebali bulungi. Mu Uganda tewali ali bulungi, era ffenna tulina kulwanira wamu ne twetaasa ng'eggwanga. Ekyo nno eky'okutulumbagana tumanyi nti bakikoze nga baagala okuvumaganya ekitundu kya Western Uganda, nga baagala okuvumaganya baganda baffe Abanyankole, nga baagala okulaga obusosoze mu mawanga. Tumanyi bulungi nnyo abantu abasosoze mu mawanga kagulupu katono nnyo akagezaako okukyambaza region yonna, naye bwe weetegereza Bannayuganda bonna naddala abali mu myaka emivubuka bonna bassa kimu, oba Abanyankole oba Bateeso oba Baganda oba Bakyoli, bonna bassa kimu. So twongera okubiriza Bannayuganda obutatwalibwa bano abantu abasosoze, bano abantu abatiitiizi abatya amazima. Bannayuganda babadde bakuumibwa poliisi naye ate balumbye abantu baffe mu hoteri gye babadde ne bakwata kaddu akabalako ne bakutte amakumi 20. Ekyo nno kyafaanaganye ne kye bakola erira bwe batulumba nga bagamba nti twababyeko, tiffe twalumbye poliisi ne tugibbako ensawo n'ebisumuzo by'emmotoka n'obuuma bwabwe obulemesa netwaka yaffe bayita netwaka gy'amazzi. Of course nga banoonya nga banoonya engeri gye basala obukwesikwesi okukwata abantu baffe. Batandika nga tunaba kuyingira mu kalulu ne bakwata Waiswa, ne bakwata Edi Mutwe, ne bakwata Gaddafi, ne bakwata Kireewo, ne bakwata Smart Wakabi, ne bakwata Kaija Dorini n'abalala bangi nnyo. So erira bakwata abantu baffe 10 era babutwala mu kkomera. Lwali olunaku lw'ekiro bakuta abantu baffe 20 awatali musango ng'ensi yonna bwezeerawo, era bakyali mu kkomera. Ekyo tukivumirira neera tubakakasa tetugenda kukola, tetugenda kugwamu maanyi. Olunaku lwaleero tukyaffe balumba ng'ayagala okutufaananya ng'abaziba emisango, ng'ayagala tufaananya nga ffe abalumba aba NRM. Kino njagala okibabulira mwenna omulabayo abayaaye be bambaza t-shirt za NUP babakozesa effujjo. Abo si bannaffe, abo ba RDC be babasetinze. Olunaku lwaleero tugenda Isingiro gye tugenda okampeyingira. Tugenda kusooka tugenda kusaasira omwanyinaffe Monica Kibalama, mukyala wa muganda waffe yabuzibwawo John Bosco Kibalama nga abadde amubanja okumala emyaka 7 naye yafudde mu ngeri entategerekeka naddala olwa ye ne famire ye okulemerako nga babanja Nabbanja Kibalama, kuba Nabbanja yavaayo n'agamba Kibalama bamuyina naye baagana omubalaga omukyala agenze kufa nga talabye ku bbaawo. Tumusaasira era tugenda kuyitayo tumale tugende tukole kampeyini zaffe. Mwebale nnyo mwebale. Okay, a very good morning to you, ladies and gentlemen. We wanted to speak to you very briefly, members of the press. Yeah, yesterday we were in Kiruhura and Kazo, but I'm sure many of you, ladies and gentlemen, saw what happened as we moved from Yantonde to Kiruhura. Along the way in Sanga, we were waylaid by goons dressed in NRM t-shirts, led by that area mayor of that place. They had stones, they had sticks, they attacked us, and everything was on camera. They beat our people, but we managed to get out of that situation. Unfortunately, these goons were being protected and commanded by the police, as you all saw it on camera. We left Sanga, we proceeded, but even in Chiruhura, they attacked us again. The RDC and the police there blocked us from even addressing our rally. They confiscated our machines, and they attacked us again. We proceeded and held only one rally in Kazo. We condemn that, of course. It's an act of discrimination. It is terrible because they are trying to paint a very wrong image of a beautiful region, the Ankole region. They are trying to promote tribalism, which we condemn. And we inform them that Ugandans are united. Ugandans have put tribalism way behind them. You've seen how united Ugandans are, especially the young generation, from the east to the west, from the north to the south and central. Unfortunately, those people that attacked us, protected by police, were not arrested. But last night, our teams were raided by the police and military, and 20 of our people were arrested. As of now, we only know 20 people that have been arrested. Now this has been systematic. Before we started the campaign, they started picking our people like Eddie Mutwe, like Achille Uchibumbi, like Smart Wakabi, like Waiswa Mufumbiro, like Kaija Dorin, and many others. But even when we went to Lira, you all remember that the police came and said we attacked them and robbed them. Imagine civilians attacking police and the judge to rob them. They used that excuse to arrest 10 of our people, and 10 of our people are still in Lira now. Now, this time, they've arrested up to 20 of our people. We are still looking to see if there are more people that have been arrested. We are told that they took them to Sanga. Now, the people that attacked us, we are not arrested. But now, our team is arrested. This speaks of a systematic intention to reduce us as we progress with the campaign. We condemn that, and we assure Ugandans that we are as non-violent as they've been seeing us. We are as law-abiding as they've been seeing us, and we shall continue the same. We condemn that, and we call for the immediate release of our people because they are innocent. Today, we are heading to Isinjiro. We are supposed to campaign in Isinjiro. But before going to Isinjiro, we are going to first go and pay respect to our sister, Monica Chibalama, the wife of John Bosco Chibalama, who has been missing for 7 years. She died in a very suspicious way at her home, following 7 years of incessant demand for the return of her husband, John Bosco Chibalama, who was taken away by the regime. Up to now, he's still missing. Even when Nabanja came out and said they have him, they refused to present him to a competent court, and we still don't know where he is up to now. This abduction of people, shows that Museveni is at the height of when the most detested Even here, Sam Mugumya was picked from Barara here by the military. He has never been seen again, and many other people continue to be missing. We know that when we change Uganda, there will be justice for all these people. We thank you. I will also mention the Kenyans. We have 2 Kenyan brothers, one called Bob Nyagi, another called Nicholas. Those people were abducted from eastern Uganda, and up to now they are still missing. To you, our Kenyan brothers and sisters, you know that we are being ruled on gunpoint by a dictator, and that's why your people are missing. Unfortunately, there seems to be a coordinated, effort to abduct people all over East Africa. We condemn that.
So, Mr. President, First Lady, abemezi bitu mwena aba Akole sub-region Bright Munza Peter mpaka mkande tuita wa meya ubona mwe mkande tuitu wa woman MP abambara site kando go mamikata na Benjamin mwena numanya president David yagamba akintu ekyo kwata abantu bitu ekiro numanya mwena ngu izoba lya mwabazio campaign trail kwekire lyantonde yakasanga bagenda bahika shere bayongerayo kazo abantu ababire bajire t-shirt za yellow abatugambire ngo babire organized kandi bahibwa ezenkoni bajana kutera abantu bitu kubanyangaraza kubona bonesa ningira murebera abantu babiri nenkoni abandi bina amabari bari kutira timu yitu bakora akavuyo kingi munonga kandi balimesa n'abantu ati nkakiruhura akutubire ntwenda kuza kora rallies zitu balimesa abantu kwijaho ningira mwe n'abarebire biriho president abena arabahona abantu bari ahamaduka gabo nari show mashugabo nabamubiraho konga kandi kwashire umurushere abantu bija abantu abamwe bija babasa kubaho habirari konka murebera abantu baba forcing kutwara t-shirt za Museveni ngwaremwe kwija ahararizi zitu bera kujumirira ekyo munonga kandi nk'ekibina twahandikire complaint ejo nasho kweto mbita twahandikire kweto mbita ahari electoral commission twababuza itwe okutwe nzo campaigning mbitweke bindi titukarebera abantu bari kukora ebintu kebyo konka kandi tushira hanuya mu district ya Kiruhura nakazo murebere bishani bitu bari kubihayo with a lot of impunity bishani wa president ni babihayo bekwata na social media ngawa tine kibakore kibi kandi mutima yako ko n'umushango kwe kishani cyo muntu esimbireho ngo kuri mushango hati police na mahe tibukwasira abantu abo ikibakozire bezira nyakiro batahirira abantu bitaho babire barire babakwata aho turugambira abantu 20 babakwatsire barira polisi yambarra hatirizo batugira ngo rero batwara polisi yasanga kandi wayoherezayo abamateka bitu okuzayo kureba ekiri kugenda omumisho so twenda kushumirira byona president yagamba naho kwatwa kw'abantu bita abandi abakwatsire campaign iri kutandika mbokumurarire last time mukalwa kawire ikigendererwa cyabo kikakire cyo kureba ngo president yakika ahizo bayo kutera kaluru atine bantu abari kubasa umushajika mwena hati ndisho kwenda bakora hati bakatandika kare bakwata ba waiso bakwata ba Dorin nabandi hati ebirevu irerira bakwata abantu bitu nishimanga kutina abantu 10 abayo mu kihome rira kandi naho munumbarira hati bakwatira abantu 20 so nitu jumirire ko rebe byona kandi tubagambira nyuma abazyo abantu abupolisi bireshire kwata naba batabirishire t-shirt za yero bari kutera abantu bitu bari kubanyangaraza abamahurire mwenda mubire muruho mwabyoreka mwayirika ebigenziro mumisho nga polisi ababaritsira kaviyo kino yakwatsira nomwe abineko n'amabari bari kutera abantu bitu konga hati bari bakwata abahagizi ba NUP ekintu ekitiri kujumirira munonga ekitari kya bulinganiza bari munonga sebo.
As you were speaking, I was informed that where we are going in Isingiro, that the RDC has dressed up NRM supporters in NUP t-shirts in order to attack NRM supporters on the roadside to show that it's NUP. That is laughable. That is very laughable because as NUP we preach non-violence and there is no NUP supporter that is attacking anybody anywhere in the country, not in the central, not in the east, not in the west, and certainly not in the north. So whatever they are trying to do, these are false flag operations like they did during the Bush War when they dressed UPC people, when they dressed in UPC t-shirts to attack people and kill people in those villages in the West. So it's important that we inform whoever is going to be used in Isingiro that people know, and the camera is our weapon, so you cannot hoodwink people. It's important that we preempt that also. Sebo. kyonnakyo kiyindu ekitoko
naye byangole nga simumanyi banange byangole nagenda nwerabira kakati ni musajja wa kabaka nnyo naye yakangezeeko ko pulezidenti yabagambye abasebo n'abanyabo isiigiro kandi mutwire mirembe nibakola okuluganyuma abazeo nijo babe nibakwata abantu babaparadinga bagira ngu tubali kuza kuyikiriza president campaign mu isiigiro ko kumuli kubaleba ko bali kutwaza mwene izoba information eyo atunga n'okugira ngu RDC yajweka abantu t-shirts eza NUP nkubala kiteyo batandike kwatakinga abantu aba NRM mbwenu ayona jiza kutaho controversy ejo obagira ngo aba NUP inabalindi batakinga bena kukijumirira ekyo kabagambira ebiro byone bikugenda mission mureba General Museveni byalikola nagenda y'abantu bona babajweka t-shirt sinsia ezimwe zibibira kitebe kito bati mutahirire kandi t-shirt ezimwe bakatebe kitu ezindi bagenda bazikozesa kulia namwe hari abana babiri babakwata cameras Nasa Road balikola t-shirts ezo bazikola kugira ngo bazikozese ebyo ati president kuko yabagambira itwa ba national unity platform tuli bakavuyo nitambulira mu mateeka tutwine muntu n'omu turi kuteera abantu bitu bali peaceful nicho kurebera tukampeni kiro mu ihanga lyona otakahuliriyo kavuyo kona okufika butu kiraha abo bali kuteekateeka ngo tine mbwenu nibareba ngu ekyanga ekitune kampeni ngayo kukabine kumanya gunaha it is part of Uganda tuli kwasa kugira ngo haro district 18 campaign ngayo iwe ngo kandi murebere district zone ezikuzamo no byakubarishere no buta murebere obuhagizi wa NUP kubulya higuru mnongo
mwebale mnongo abasibo n'abanyabo
Sematimba bweji
David Joy is my name. I work for NTV. We understand that of the 20 people that were arrested yesterday, these were arrested as a result of one person that was injured, that was fatally injured in the fracas that we witnessed yesterday. Are you aware about this, and as a party, are you taking any legal steps to ensure the release of the 20 supporters or have them go through the legal processes?
Of course, this is political violence. It was on camera, and I'm glad you NTV also did it again. We were attacked, and the attackers were protected by police. But later on in the night, they came and then raided us. But this is not new. You saw how it happened in Lira. They claimed that we robbed them, but they majorly target my security team or our support team that surrounds us, our security team and our media team. That's their target. We were informed even before the campaign starts that they are trying to ensure that by the time we get near to the election, I am isolated as a person, so we don't know who they are picking next. Could be Rubongoya, could be Katana, could be you, a journalist, could be anybody. We just want to continuously expose this as impunity, as targeted political violence, and as shamelessness of the regime led by General Museveni.